Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can walk the runway on Freeplay mode in Dress to Impress. So this is a new feature. So as you can see, there is the walk the runway button on the bottom left. You're just going to select walk the runway, and you can either select the regular runway, winter runway, Valentine's runway, or spring. I'll just do the Valentine's one and press confirm. And you'll be on the runway. And you can even pose as well here. Oops. Like that. Which is super cool. And to end it, you're just going to press the end button here. And you'll be brought back to you will be back in the free play mode. That's what I'm trying to say. But that is how you can go on the runway in free play mode. That is a new option now, which is pretty cool. I'll do spring so you guys can see. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!